Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this BMW R1200 GS. As you can see, comes with the full luggage there as well, and a few little extras. So we'll start down here at the forks, do a full walk around, and then we'll get the bike started as well. Plenty of life left in the brake discs and tyres, and the brake pads as well. See the front, we've got the adventure lights there, hand guards, crash bars and engine protectors there as well, extended mud guard, and I'll get you in to see the bodywork. Little small scuff there but nothing major. Swing arms looking good. You've got a protector for the rear spring there as well. No rips and tears in the seat. And you've got a nice little backrest for the any pillions on the bike. BMW Luggage. There is some marks on them, but still certainly functional, that's for sure. The back box is a different make, but again still fully functional. Try and get in to see the wheel, the alloy. So you can see the marks on the pannier there. Again, that's the BMW one. Bodywork is in good condition. Nothing major to flag up. Coming up to here, we've got your adventure lights, your ABS, electronic suspension, heated grips there as well. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let's start up. Takes a wee moment for it to load up. We are aware of a lamp error, basically because instead of halogen bulbs, we've gone for the LED bulbs, and that does trigger that little warning. You can take the warning away by putting the halogen bulbs in, but they're not as effective, so entirely up to yourself what you'd like to do there, but everything is fully functional. Now we'll just confirm everything's working on the bike, so we'll start with the indicators here. These are really easy to use, so one click down you'll see the one button at the top, two, and that's just your level of preference, so you can have it off, medium or high. I'll show you the lights here at the front. We've got the adventure lights there, and full beam. There we go. Hard to see it on this light. The actual full beam later on as well. I'll give the bike a few revs and you can hear how she sounds. There we have it. The BMW R1200 GS fully loaded. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.